Hi guys, and now we're at Red Ribbon. We just came here from the hospital. It's now afternoon.
Okay. Red Ribbon. Ayun.
It's mostly like
Red Ribbon.
pastries.
Red Ribbon. Okay. Okay. So, Red Ribbon. Anong meron dito, anak?
There's mostly pastries, but there's also like breakfast options. There's like pastas, there's burgers, and yeah. There's also smoothies and cakes.
What time are they open? In the morning? 7?
7
7
o'clock.
to
10
11.
a.m.
Yeah, okay.
Because I memorized the time unlike
Okay.
Julia here.
Oh, Sam. Oh, ito ba yon? Oh. Okay. So, ito yung paligid niya. Paligid niya. Oh, ayun. Doon sila nagsiswimming. Okay, so yun yung paligid. Oh, pasok tayo. Oh, ikaw naman, Sam.
So the design is nice, and they also have drawings on the wall.
Pakita mo nga yung mga menu, mga cakes niya, mga display niya. Andun sa counter. Masarap, ano? Ayan. Anong masasabi ni ng wifey ko?
Good.
Enjoy ka na naman, ha?
Yes.
Is this part of your birthday celebration?
No more.
Oh, mas dumating na ba yun sa'yo?
No.
Hindi pa,
The cheese pool is so good.
Hi guys, and this is my second plate now. It's mac and
Second plate.
cheese.
Ano yung first?
This is spaghetti.
Ikaw naman, Sam.
Hi guys, this is my second plate, and my first plate is mac and cheese.
Yung mac and cheese. Yan ba yung mac and cheese? Oh, yun. Tapos second order ni Sam, ano naman to?
Ribs.
Ribs, no? Ayun yun ng rice. Kasi yung rice, yung gano'n. Oh, yun.
I don't like peas.
Okay. Ano masasabi niya sa food?
It's really good. It's better than the restaurant we went.
Okay. So, masarap siya. Ikaw naman, Moss? Ano masasabi mo?
It's good, just like stretchy and very cheesy. Different types of cheese.
So, balik ulit tayo dito, kids.
Yeah.
Babalik ulit tayo, ha?
Oh yeah.
Ito naman interview natin. Ito yung pinakamahinang kumain.
Pero hindi ako magbabayad dito, ah.
Sige. Ano? Masarap mo?
Masarap.
Masarap.
Puntahan nyo. Tastes good. Maganda yung ambience. Maganda yung sound. Friendly lahat ng staff. Good place, malinis.
Ito yung general. Siyempre, dito ako nakaupo. Nakita niyo naman, walang nakalagay.
Kaya ubos na.
He ate something like this. He ordered the same. Yeah. So he already finished. So that's why his place is empty. That's why.
Mabilis kumain. Sige. Sam, anong sasabihin mo? Invite mo sila? invite mo sila, tapos na yung ating vlog.
Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on TikTok. And I would definitely recommend this place,
Ano nga uling pangalan to?
Red Ribbon.
Red Ribbon. Okay, ito. Kaninong tira ba to?
Sa akin.
Alam mo? Order ka, tapos ako kakain.
Pipilitan ka?
Pilitan ako.
Yo,
Sige
that
lang.
teaspoon
Okay
is
lang.
so long.
Pilitin natin.
Oh, so long.
This is you. This
Mahirap
is the
kumain.
noodle.
Yung ano? Next time, pagka order ka, ha? Busin mo. May pilit ko lang.
Yun ang favorite mo eh.
Beta favorite ka.
Favorite niya yan eh.
Try cannolis.
What?
What's your taking?
Beef dragon meat and yeah.
Ready?